Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Like and subscribe and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button, you guys, if I haven't already mentioned it. And welcome back to the viewers who are not subscribed. Hello, how you guys doing? Hope you guys doing great. Subscribe to my channel, please. And let's hit that like button and let's get into it. For this company, the name of the company is called Cadence, and the job role for this job will be a customer experience associate, and it is starting. Well, the pay is $18 per hour. It's a full-time and part-time job position. And the qualifications for this job is a high school. To have a high school or equivalent is preferred. You don't have to, it's not required. And it's a 401k plan, dental insurance, employee discount, flexible scheduling, health insurance, paid sick time, paid time off, vision insurance. With this job description, it goes as this. Cadence makes products for people who want to feel a sense of calm, control, and peace of mind through an unwavering focus on modularity, personalization, and intuitive design. At the intersection of home, travel, and sustainability, we are excited to introduce our first patent product, the Cadence capsules. DCD, DC, well, D2C, with repeated sellouts, best in class investors, loved by the New York Times, Oprah, Cosmopolitan, and others. This is the Spark News. Join a small and quickly growing startup team. This is a remote full-time and part-time position. Weekly meetings with the founder, operations, and customer experience teammates would take place. The goal is to create an exceptional customer experience for our community, the kind of story that they bring up at dinner parties in the future. Your key role is to in this your key role in the day-to-day operational and customer-facing areas of the startup. Who you are: a clear, strong communicator. You have strong written skills and can escalate information to the right individuals quickly and clearly. A highly collaborative worker. You're more interested in achieving the goals of the business than quibbling over idea ownership. We're in this as a team and share feedback freely and frequently. A calm and controlled presence. You are able to stay positive in the face of roadblocks and quickly jump into problem-solving mode. An organized and detail-oriented executor. You are able to keep organized and make sure the tasks at hand are executed with the full attention to detail. Highlight adaptable. You're able to make challenging deadlines while still producing high quality work. Brand loving. You're on Instagram and love things from new and trending brands. Responsibilities for this job as being a customer experience associate will be you have to have quick, warm, and on brand customer communication across emails, Instagram comments, Instagram DMs, and ads via the customer service platform Georgia's and Facebook Business Manager. Communicating with the customer experience team and fulfillment team daily. Determining the quickest, most effective way to answer customers' questions and or find the correct solution to their issue. Prioritizing customer emails based on needs and then escalating accordingly. Benefits plus perks. Competitive compensation. Medical, fully covered for full-time. Dental and vision insurance for full-time employees. Paid time off, including vacation, paid time off, sick pay, and other company-wide days off for full-time employees. Does it sound like you? We can't wait to meet you. How to apply? Email this team at keepyourcadence.com with your resume and a few sentences on why you are interested in this role. Chat with you soon. Healthy and safe and inclusion. We take all recommended precautions in our fulfillment center to keep everyone healthy and provide a safe environment for employees at this time during COVID-19. Face coverings will be required when working indoors. Cadence is committed to a diverse and inclusive workplace and is an equal opportunity employer. We do not discriminate on the basis of race, national origin, gender identity, sexual orientation, protected veteran status, disability, age, or other legally protected statuses. Paid time for this job will be $18 per hour. And once again, these are the benefits: 401k plan, dental insurance, employee discount, flexible scheduling, health insurance, paid time off, and the vision insurance. And the schedule is Monday to Friday, weekend availability, and this is a remote position, and they're hiring for 2 candidates for this role. They're urgently hiring. They just posted this today. So you guys, I will be off of this video. This is just one company that I just want to get out there into the opening, but I will have plenty of videos this morning, this afternoon, and this evening, you guys. The company is called Cadence. And once again, the job role will be customer experience associate. So you guys, like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And that'll be all for this video. Go ahead, you guys. Go ahead and apply. Get the piece of that work pie. Keep on going, Diamond Squad, because you are amazing. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.